Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from ChitraCars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and subscribe the channel. And write your comments in the comment box. And thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today, there's an important topic which we are talking about is you have to get your vehicle, car serviced at the authorized service center or the multi-brand workshops which are outside. Number one, if you get your vehicle serviced in an authorized service station, the cost is very high. Everyone has a pinch of it and everyone, tells that the price, that whatever the charges are, they are very high. Whereas if you get it done in outside, it's done 50% lesser or even lesser than that. So there are points to be noted where you need to get service done. Number one, make sure till the warranty is over for your car, you get it done, serviced only in your authorized service station. That's very, very important. Because if you get it done outside, the warranty clause says that the warranty will not happen. So make sure you get it service done, your car service done at the authorized service station till the warranty is there. For example, after the warranty, you want to get your brake pads changed. If you get it done at the authorized service station, they charge you 8,000 to 12,000, depends on the car. Whereas the same brake pads, if you get it done outside, it will cost you 3,000 to 5,000. It's out in the outside market. The reason is why. Number one, the authorized service station has lot of equipment supplied by the company, authorized company, the manufacturer. These machines are very, very costly and they have lot of softwares given by the company itself to manage the cars. So that is the reason they are very expensive. And another thing is, all the technicians who are working in the authorized service station are trained by the company itself. So there are a lot of other things taking into consideration. The charges are high. Whereas in the multi-brand workshop or outside market workshop, upmarket service stations, they do have tools and machines to check, but they are not so sophisticated as what you have it in the authorized service station. My suggestion is, for example, every year there is a service to be done. Let's say 30 kilometers, there's a service, 30,000 kilometers, you have to get it serviced. This points, 40 checkpoints are there. 60,000 kilometers or 70,000 kilometers, there are 70 checkpoints to be done. Then 1 lakh kilometers, there are some 108 points to be done. This annual service maintenance, you get it done at the authorized service station. It's mandatory you get it done there. Whereas the rest of the things like, AC filter, your AC gas or your brake pads or your suspension, this small engine oil change, coolant change, all this you get it done at the multi-brand workshops or the unauthorized service stations which are in the upmarket. So your car is maintained well, and as well as your bills are maintained. You save money, what are necessary, and as well your car is maintained well. These are the measures and precautions to be done when you're getting your car serviced. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think ChitraCars. Thank you.